welcome back to Drawing for Kids. To start off, let's go over what material you'll need. You need some Crayola markers, which you can use any color markers that you like. Next, you also need some paper. In addition to that, you'll need some black markers, such as Sharpies. Okay, so as I'm going along, I'll go step by step on how to draw this character, but I really like to invite you to add your own little twist to it to make it your own. There's no pressure to necessarily draw exactly what I have, but let's use that as a guidance to see what we can come up with. As always, remember to add in a little bit of your imagination to make it your own. You can do this drawing with your family and friends, and at the end of it, maybe check out how everybody's drawing turned out at the very end. Are you ready? So we're gonna get started. For today's video, I am doing it of a Disney princess, and this princess is actually a younger sister. Can you guess the name of this princess? That's right, it is Anna from Frozen. Also, I'm gonna do a little Olaf on the side as well. So let's get started. So for this drawing, I'm going to start by drawing Anna first, and then I'll work on a little Olaf afterwards. This is a side profile, so we're looking at Anna not straight in the face from the side. I'm going to start with her side profile of her face. So that's her chin over there. Next, I'm going to add on her ear. And then I'm going to start working on Anna's hair, as well as her eyes. So these are her eyelashes. You can draw a few more eyelashes if you would like. For her eyes, I'm just gonna do the small slit here of my black marker, and then I'm gonna use the same black marker to draw in like little streaks like for her bangs. And then here is her hair on the top. Between Elsa and Anna, I wonder which is your favorite princess. I've done a video of drawing of Elsa in the past, but I know that there are a lot of people who like Anna as well, so I want to make sure that I do a step-by-step drawing of Anna as well. Here I have her hair in a braid, and it's also in a bun on the back of her head. So here I'm just adding in a little bit of texture with little strokes and lines for her hair. I know that Anna also wears many different outfits in the original movie as well. She has one where she's like in the castle, that's in the green dress, and also like her outfits are different from the first movie versus the second movie. So feel free to change up the outfit compared to what I have here to suit your favorite outfit that you like Anna being in. So for here, I'm gonna have Anna in a green dress. So this is like a kind of like a mini version of Anna. You can see this is her gown coming down, some smooth circular lines. I'm also going to draw some lines to represent the little frills at the bottom of her dress. They're like little wavy lines and half circles all connected. Of course, we can't forget Anna's feet, and then that's one of her foot, and then there's the other one. If you want, instead of using the black markers to color in her shoes, you can use green or other colors that you would like Anna to have her shoes be in the color of. Now, of course, I also mentioned I was going to draw Olaf as well. So I'm going to draw a mini Olaf on the side. Olaf is a character that's in both Frozen 1 and 2. It's like a snowman. So you can see here, it's a mini Olaf, very small. Here's his eyes, and then I think Olaf has a few branches on the top of his head. I think there's 3 branches exactly. If you would like, you can make some of them longer, some of them shorter. But this is the back of Olaf's head. And then also like, because it's a snowman, so there's several different sections to Olaf, like the head, the midsection, as well as like the bottom. And then I'm gonna use this black marker to color in like the buttons on the front. So here's Olaf, and of course I'm going to use my black marker to draw in his branch as arms. And then I think that for his feet, I'm just going to draw these little nubs on the bottom of my black marker. Of course, I'm not going to color in Olaf because he is snow and he is white, But I guess if you like, you can add a little bit of shadow with blues or purples. But I'm going to use this orange to color in Olaf's nose because he does have a carrot nose. Or does he have a candy cane nose? I think that would be really funny if he has a candy cane nose, especially if it's around Christmas time. I'm going to use some pink to add blush to Olaf's cheeks. And I'm just going to leave them pretty plain for now. Next, I'm going to take this light apricot color to color in the flesh or the skin for Anna. Making sure I color within the lines as well as like color in any white space that might be left in between. Certainly, I try to do my best. It's not always perfect, but that's okay. I think part of drawing is just having fun with it. If the first time it doesn't work out, try again. Grab another piece of paper and try drawing it again, and you can do a different version of it. You can have like Anna in a different style dress or different color dress. Think that like art's supposed to be fun. And just so you know, for me to get to where I am right now in my drawing skills did take a lot of practice. So don't always compare yourself to like other people's work because you don't know how much they've practiced already in the past. So don't feel pressure, it has to be exactly the same. Now using my brown marker, I'm going to color in Anna's hair, and of course I'm going to use various shades of green to color in her dress. If you would like, you can add patterns to her dress. Let's say you want to add daisies or flowers or maybe like snowflake patterns to her dress. Those are all ideas you can add to your drawing by using your imagination to make the artwork a little bit different and a little bit unique and more of your own. Of course, you can also add in the background for your character. Right now I am leaving it as a white background, but I think so much of a story is told through the background as well. So you can think about, are they out and about in the city? Are they inside the castle? Are they out in the forest? And that will all come into play when you're thinking about like what to draw in the background. So here I'm using my lime green to draw in some strips for her dress, but of course you can draw various different patterns or shapes that you like as well. After using this lime green, I'm going to use like a darker shade of green, maybe a more of an olive green to color in the rest of her dress. This way, I think it'll make the dress a little bit more interesting, but of course, I think you can use your black marker to like fill in some of the designs as well. To wrap up this drawing, I'm going to add a little bit of shadow to Anna. Of course, this is entirely optional. You don't have to do this step if you don't want to. You can see I'm just thinking where the light's coming from and where the shadow will land on this character. So that's it for today for my princess drawing of Anna and Olaf from Frozen. Thank you so much for joining me on the step-by-step drawing. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this type of videos, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. It'll really help a lot. Thank you so much for considering. Well, that's it for now. Hopefully I will see you in future videos. Take care and stay creative, everyone. Bye for now.